You know, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And today, we've got a series of photos that tell a pretty incredible story. We're going to watch a dental restoration unfold, and believe me, it's about so much more than just fixing a few teeth. Let's jump right in and see for ourselves.
Okay, so every big change has to start somewhere, right? And this is our starting point. You can see right away we're dealing with teeth that are pretty seriously chipped, broken, and uneven. And, this isn't just about how it looks. Think about it. It affects everything, from what you can comfortably eat to just feeling good about your own smile. This is the before picture, and it really sets the stage for everything that's about to happen. So, the big question is, how do you get from that to a brand new smile? Well, it's not magic. It's actually a really precise step-by-step journey. So let's break it down and see exactly how this amazing transformation was pulled off.
All right, let's get a closer look at those upper teeth. When you zoom in, you really see what the dentist is up against. See all those chips along the edges and the gaps between the teeth? Yeah, this isn't going to be a quick patch job. The goal here is to build an entirely new smile, one that's strong, looks great, and works perfectly.
It's like building a house, right? You can't just start putting up walls without a solid foundation. It's the exact same idea in dentistry. This first step is absolutely crucial. You can't just stick new crowns on top of what's there. You've got to prep the original teeth first.
And here we see that prep work happening. The dentist is carefully shaping the original teeth, filing them down. Now, I know, it might look a little intense, but there's a really important reason for this. They're basically creating these super strong, stable anchors that are going to hold the new crowns in place for a long, long time.
Now, you might have spotted those letters on the image, PFM. That kind of begs the question, right? It's a key part of this whole process. So what in the world are PFM crowns?
Okay, so PFM stands for porcelain fused to metal. It's kind of like getting the best of both worlds for your teeth. On the inside, you've got this really strong metal base for durability, so it lasts. And then on the outside, it's completely covered with a layer of beautiful tooth-colored porcelain. So you get the strength of metal, but the natural look of a real tooth. Pretty clever, huh?
All right, here's the next big move. The custom-made crowns are being fitted right onto those prepared teeth. You can see a little bit of redness around the gums, but don't worry, that's totally normal. They just need a little time to heal and settle in around the new teeth. And just like that, the new structure of the smile is in place.
Okay, we've seen the before, we've gone through all the steps, and now it's time for the big reveal. This is the moment we've been building up to. Let's see the final result.
Wow, just look at that. This one picture really says everything, doesn't it? On the left, that's where we started, and on the right, the final result. The difference is just incredible. It's not just fixed teeth, it's a totally new smile. Everything is uniform, the color is perfect, it's just a complete, confident smile.
So let's recap what a change like this really accomplishes. On a practical level, you can eat properly again, which is huge. Aesthetically, obviously you get this amazing, natural-looking smile. All the chips and gaps are gone. And because they use those PFM crowns, this is a solution that's built to be strong and last for a very long time. But honestly, it goes so much deeper than just the technical stuff. You have to think about the person behind the smile. This is way more than a dental procedure. It's about getting your confidence back. It's about being able to laugh and talk and smile without even thinking about it. That's life-changing.
And that really leaves us with one final thing to think about. When you see a journey like this, from beginning to end, it really makes you ask yourself, doesn't it? How much can a new smile really change someone's life?